Hello everyone, I'm happy to be here again to make the representation about the new topic, how to deregistration of the legal representative in China. Again, this video will be posted on the China FDI Legal Hub on YouTube, and you can find more similar articles and videos, introduction about the Chinese FDI legal issues. Stuck as the legal representative of a Chinese company you no longer control, you are not powerless. I'm Guan Baokui, a practicing lawyer at AllBright Law Offices, Qingdao branch office, and I have abundant experience on the cross-border legal counsel. Let's talk about this topic. I'm a corporate lawyer who has removed over 15 foreign directors or legal representatives from China's FDI companies, even when companies refuse to cooperate on this issue. Today I will show you how to use the 2022 Supreme Court ruling to force deregistration, protect your credit, and avoid massive liability. Let's reclaim your freedom. As you can see, this is the YouTube channel I had on the YouTube. The channel's name is China FDI Legal Hub. Thank you for your subscribe and also forward to any friends who are interested in this topic also. And remove your name as a legal representative or director or supervisors in China. Here's how to force compliance. First, understand the ironclad rule. Your authority ends when your appointment does. China's Supreme Court made this crystal clear in 2022. Once shareholders dismiss you, the company must, instead of may, update registration information in the competing government authority, even if they don't or haven't picked your replacement. They need to deregistration in your position. Why? The law sees this as a fiduciary handover. Imagine being forced to wear a CEO badge after being fired. Absurd, right? Yet companies pull this stunt delay. Here's the key point. Your liability for company X stops at dismissal, but until deregistered, you are on the hook. One client faced a $1 million lawsuit for debt incurred after his firing. Don't let that happen to you. This study, a president sentenced by the Chinese Supreme Court. Let's dissect the landmark case that changed everything. Mr. Wei was dismissed while shareholder votes for the company soared for months, leaving him registered. The Supreme Court ruled dismissal resolution equals immediate obligation. Companies must file changes within certain days upon the occurrence of that issue. No new representative, no excuses. The registry can demand a successor process for removal. The kicker, the court ordered the registration in 14 days, no appeals. This is not just law, it's your leverage. Companies backing on bureaucratic delays just lost their shield. Corporate obligations versus autonomy. Company loves to blur lines between must do and maybe later. Let's cut through the fog. Non-negotiable. Submit your dismissal to SAMR, the competent government authority in charge of registration issue, within 30 days, as provided in Article 13 of the Chinese Company Law. Optional. When they appoint your replacement, their problem, not yours. Here's the trap. SAMR, abbreviation for the State Administration of the Registration Authority, won't chase them. You must. One client waited a year only to discover the company never filed. By then, lawsuits piled up. Don't be polite. Send a notarized dismissal notice to SAMR yourself. I'll show you how to next. Hidden risk for foreign investors, foreign directors, legal representatives, foreign supervisors, foreign general managers. Please listen closely. Unlike local representatives, directors, supervisors, general managers, you face cross-border risks, wire visa trouble. Unresolved registration can trigger entry bans. Global liability. Creditors may sue you abroad using Chinese record or present or judgment verdict. Reputation bomb. Your name stay on city contracts indefinitely. Your case. A German ex discovered he was still a legal representative of the company for a subsidiary that defaulted on $3 million loan. Now, time to fight back. Here's your three-step arsenal. First, document. Get the dismissal resolution notarized and proof of notice to company. It is very important. Second, demand. Use our bilingual template to notify SAMR directly. Bypass the company. Sue. File an administrative lawsuit citing various cases. Court rules within 6 months. Pro tip: if the company's registered address is fake, SAMR must deregister you by law. One client won in 22 days. This way, the system can work for you if you strike first. For investors, checklist. Before investing another yuan in China, please do this. First, contract clauses mandate automatic deregistration upon dismissal. Annual audit. Verify your registration status every January. Exit strategy. Keep notarized resignation letters on file. A British investor avoided disaster this way. When local partner refused to remove him, his pre-signed resignation forced SAMR's hand. In China, paperwork isn't bureaucracy, it's armor. Free resources and the next step. Don't let a phantom title ruin your life. Scan the QR code now to download Supreme Court ruling analysis, annotated English version, SAMR demand letter, notarization guide, step-by-step for overseas directions. For immediate help, message the register to my WeChat. My team handles more than 10 cases each month. We will prioritize yours demand. Remember, in China, Justice favored prepares. Let's go you out. This is also the information that you might need to help you out in the dilemma. Contact my team through the following manners: the hotline, the WeChat, the email. Either way might be vital when you are kept in trouble. Your name shouldn't be hostage to cooperating action. This is one piece of information I keep on reminding my clients. This is my business card. In case of any problem, please contact me without any hesitation. Thank you.